They told me this forest did not exist 10 years ago, just dry land and tree stumps. But listen now. This is what growth sounds like. As every season passed, a massive wave of new green jobs taking root. Skills, ownership, millions of trees planted, millions of tons of carbon dioxide pulled from the atmosphere. These forests create opportunity, clean air, stronger communities, products like coffee, honey, shea butter, even instruments from sustainable timber. People think progress is steel and glass, but this is progress, and Ugandans are building it along with the backing of the European Union Reforestation Program. Me? I just turned it into music, but Uganda could turn it into everything. This is how we are creating our new future along with the European Union supported projects. Together, Tukola, built by Ugandans, backed by the European Union.